in the space of a day and a half.
Yeah.
But how's people getting down here?
I was getting that.
Hello? That wasn't off the other day, that's a bit strange though.
Straight in now, get it done. Get up, straight up, straight up.
Ah, it's the cat place.
Begin.
This is the cat's house. There's nothing else here.
What?
There's nothing. This is nothing else here.
Wow, this is crazy.
So someone's made a little cat's house here.
Yeah.
Well, this is an interesting. This is an interesting explore.
The cat's house.
Yeah, the cat's house.
It stinks.
Yeah.
It's
So it's got its own toilet.
Stuck to your head, I think, for that.
It's got its own hand basin. It's got a thing there. It's got its little.
So that's why it's been left open.
Yes. There was a hole on the door though. It's weird.
Cat's house.
Yeah, there's a cat's house. Yeah.
Oh, that stinks.
Do you like that smell?
Oh, my.
So someone's especially brung all this stuff here for the cat. Huh. That's cool. Oh, that's a bag of shit, that.
Put that in there, mate.
I really wish you could smell this.
Cats do smell cats though, don't they? Cats reek. Strong.
So this is the cat's fish stock house. That's pretty mad. I've never seen that before, but
No.
it's got its very own house. The cat comes in.
Hey, did it sound like someone?
Oh yeah.
What the fuck?
There's probably people downstairs. There's different buildings here, isn't there?
Yeah, but that's how they get close, bro.
This is really bad.
My dad, yeah, we've studied me Steve's, even Steve's face, it's like some...
Bit of a weird one. A random, like a flat sort of thing, as you can tell, come up the stairs, and people have been putting cat stuff in it. It's on the docks. We've seen, if I've still got the clip, I'll put it in. There's people have been feeding the cats, so there's wild cats. Would they have been wild? Well, they would be wild, but it lives on the docks as far as I know.
Yeah.
Steve's actually just said it. He's heard someone walk upstairs, as you can see, there's
Right, there's no one even there.
Must be.
Here.
Right,
So, cat's house. Weird one, short one, but there we are.
It's not a long, they said because I'm telling you the smell.
I was here just days ago. This board wasn't off. We'd have gone in here.
Sorry.
If that board was off, we'd have gone in. I don't know which ones of these are used, by the way, so we need to stay quiet because there's people up. That door wasn't open the other day. So someone's been in and out of here. This is all fish. Fish sewerage. Another bit for cats.